Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share with all of you how to decorate a chocolate cake using 1M nozzle or a piping tip. So let's get started. For this cake I'm using chocolate sponge and chocolate truffle frosting. Be sure to check my other videos on how to make perfect chocolate cake in just 3 ingredients. Start by cutting your cake into 2 to 3 layers and place one layer onto your cake board. Pour the melted chocolate truffle on the first layer which is soaked in sugar syrup. Be sure to spread it evenly on the sponge layer and this will make your chocolate cake extra moist and delicious. Let us repeat the process for remaining cake layers. Now it is time to crumb coat. So apply a thin layer of chocolate truffle frosting to the entire cake using a spatula and refrigerate it for 20 minutes. Now it is time to apply the final layer of frosting. For this I have fitted my piping bag using 1M nozzle and by now you must have understood that I love this nozzle a lot. Using this nozzle we can make a variety of decorations. My clients also love the cake designs that I have made using 1M nozzle and I do end up getting repeat orders for these cakes. So what are we doing over here is that starting from the bottom of the cake, pipe a line to the top of the cake. It looks like a gift wrapping design, isn't it? Do hit that like button if you like this unique cake design. And if you are new here, then do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video here. That looks amazing, isn't it? Do share your thoughts on this cake design in the comment box. What does it look like to you? Now, there are two ways in which you can decorate this cake. Continue with this design till the center of the cake or make some chocolate truffle flower decoration in the center. So I have made one rosette in the center. Since this flower has some gaps around it, we can fill it up by making more flowers or some leaves around it. So I started making small roses around it using a small rosette nozzle. And they look so cute. You can also use some green fondant leaves and they will make this cake look all the more beautiful. By the way guys, you know what? You can also use my fudgy chocolate brownie recipe for making this cake. I'm sharing the link in the description below. Do try the chocolate brownie recipe. It is very easy to make and it is very tasty. To finish, decorate the cake with any additional toppings or decorations of your choice. I'm adding some golden sugar balls in the center to give more depth to this design. So let me do a quick recap. We have cut our delicious chocolate sponge in 2 layers, filled it up using melted rich chocolate ganache, crumb coated our cake, and finally frosted it with a luscious chocolate truffle. And to top it off, we decorated it with a beautiful swirl using 1M nozzle. And that's the final look. I have placed my client's husband's name in white heart and have pasted it on the cake itself. Happy birthday tag, we can put it on the top of the cake or on the sides like I have done. Actually, I didn't want to spoil the top look of the cake, so I have pasted the happy birthday tag on the side. It looked so amazing and tasted also so great that my client ended up ordering another cake without any occasion. It feels so happy to see someone liking your work so much and it inspires me and motivates me to make more such delicious cakes for my lovely amazing clients. And there you have it, a beautifully decorated chocolate cake using 1M nozzle. This cake is perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, holidays or any other special occasion. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial and you have learned some new cake decoration techniques as well. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such cake decorating tips and techniques. Thanks for watching.